Here's a quick guide to adding a bank account in Zoho Books. Start by logging into your Zoho Books account and navigating to the banking module in the left sidebar. Click Add Bank or Credit Card at the top right. From the drop-down, select your bank. Zoho Books integrates with many banks securely via platforms like Yodlee and Token. Next, enter your bank login credentials to establish a secure connection. Choose the specific account you want to link. Set the date range for importing past transactions up to 90 days and select the appropriate currency for the account. Click Will Do Books Continue and Zoho Books will sync your account. From now on, you can effortlessly manage and track your financial transactions directly within Zoho Books. Your bank account is now connected, making financial management smoother and more efficient.